How to convert PDF to Word document in mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to convert any PDF document to a Word document, and I'm going to show you how to do it on your mobile device. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you have a PDF file on your mobile device that you'd like to convert to Word document, what you actually need to do is head over to Google and then do a search for File Converter, that option there. And then if you scroll down, you get lots of different websites that are able to convert these for you. But the one that I recommend using is the one that appears first in my Google search, which is Online Convert. So if I just click on that one and go to that website, so you'll be able to go down. You can see this is a free online file converter. So there's quite a few different options of different files you can actually convert, but the one we're looking for is this one here, which is PDF to Word. So I'm just going to tap on that one. And then once here, you just need to choose the file that you would like to convert. So I'm just going to tap on choose file and go ahead and find the file that I want to convert. So the file that I want to convert is just the top one here in my list. So I'm going to tap on that one. And as you can see, it's now uploading the document and it will start the converting process. So I'll just let that do that for a bit and then I'll come back to you. So now that it's uploaded the document, I'm just going to scroll down and then I'm just going to click on start at the bottom. And now the file's being processed. And so now they've converted the file. It's, as you can see, it's now downloading the file. So I'm just going to wait for that to happen and then I should be able to open it. If I click on open, as you can see, it's taking me to Word in Office. And now, so there's a few extra steps. It's just asking me to sign in or sign up for Word, which I'm not going to do at this point in time. But if I did have a Word account or an Office account on this mobile device, then I would just go in and then I would have my Word copy of the PDF document that I've just converted. And that's all it takes to convert PDF to Word document on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.